Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your profile, your club, and many more in this option. What you need to do first is tap this banner at the top of your screen. This is a profile page that you can edit. Like tap this one, edit profile. You want to edit it, and also this is like some information of your player that you have, and this is lone player. And what I want to show you is this, how you can edit your profile. So in this page you can change your icon player. I want to change with Courtois. Tap the select setting save. Let's get back. So my Courtois become home display player. And also you can change this with a random ID. I want to wait with this. Tap OK. And also you can change your crest or your theme by buying in the store. And this is the public setting that you can share all or not public. So please feel free to try. Before you play the game, please edit your profile first. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.